Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and yeah, we'll have another update to the situation happening with the Windows 10 October update, and answer a few questions. We got a little more questions from people. Okay, first of all, there was a release a couple of minutes ago of Windows 10 October update to Slowring and release preview with a change in the build number. It adds a cumulative update to it, which is brings the version number to 17763, but .17. It seems that what happened, and this is what they are reporting right now. The reason why some people lost their files, and there's a very, very few people that did, because they said that from the telemetry and the information they get, less than 100th of 1% of people lost their files. That's a very, very small number. Yet, like we say, when there are millions of updates of computer updating, well, it does create still, a certain number of users that don't have it. So basically, Windows 10 update, what it did, it had, so in the April 2018 update, they've noticed that there's, if you had moved your folders, your main folders, documents, image, video, and so on, to a different location, people that had updated to the April 2018 update noticed that there was a double of their folders, but the double was empty. The original contained the files, but the double was empty. So they managed to get a fix out that meant that in the October 2018 update, that double would be removed. Problem is, a glitch made all the files go from the original folder rather than from the empty double folder. That's why some people have had loss of data. People that have loss of data are the ones that moved their files and folders, user folders, to a different location. That means everybody that doesn't touch that has the regular Windows folders in their default location, nobody had a loss of data in there. Nobody. That upgraded well. It really was those of you that have taken the update. So, for example, you got a D drive and you want to have documents and image in that drive rather than the main C drive, because a lot of some people do that to take space on another hard drive or so on. Well, if you did that, you were the ones at risk of losing your data when upgrading to the October 2018 update. So that's why the majority of you are okay, because the majority of you never probably touched these default folders and never moved them. So that's the explanation here. Now, since the October 2018 update has been pushed to Slowring and release preview, that also means that we are at some point soon gonna get the October 2018 update back online, and of course that's as soon as all the tests that they are conducting will actually have been done. So basically, this is what we are expecting in the next week or two. There should be, if there's no other problem, of course, there should be. Sorry, there's a plane passing overhead, by the way. Uh, So there should be a return of the builds, and of course that what they have done here has simply fixes that problem. So the next people that will update, those that have moved their folders, should be okay. Of course, one of the questions I get asked a lot is, will we have to go and reinstall a new build completely? No, it's a cumulative update. Okay, and if you're already in the October 2018 update, you already have all of that, because in today's cumulative update, you have moved on to 17763.55. This is where we are now, and I got that cumulative update, so that shows you that we're okay. That there's not going to be a new build. They're fixing it through a cumulative update, and that's it. So that's pretty much what's happening with the October 28th update. Still waiting, of course, to have it at some point brought back. So at some point it will be back online and through Windows updates. The official rollout technically would have been today, but because of the bug, they are, of course, it's not available today. And that cumulative update should probably fix the problem. You know, the update process for most people, and I can see it here, most people have had a very, very good update. I've had a few people say, oh, well, this is crap, it's crashing my computer, and so on. Well, you should look at what you're using and what you're doing with your PC because there are very few reports of crashes in the October 2018 update. I've upgraded 4 machines. I have absolutely no issues, no freezes, no crashes. And there is a few reports of Edge being unusable for some. I would suggest maybe trying a app reset with Microsoft Edge, and we'll probably post a video to kind of show you what to do here. So that's pretty much what we have, as we are still waiting for the return of the Windows 10 October update. I wanted to explain a little bit in down to earth terms who was affected and why. And as we see, it's a very small number of people, but they did stop the upgrade because of the fact that it was a data loss, and that was something that they thought was very important to prevent data loss to users. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.